Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about installation of Java with Eclipse IDE. As you know that Java is a widely used programming language for coding web applications. It has been a popular choice among developers for over 2 decades with millions of Java applications in use today. So let's begin with the installation. First, let's go to the web browser and download both JDK 8 and Eclipse IDE. The link for downloading both the software is given in the description. Here mine is Windows, so I will download for Windows. It is the last option. Windows into 64. Download. Here on the next page, you should use your login credentials to download this file. If you don't have a Oracle account, then create an account and download the file. While JDK is downloading, let's download Eclipse 2. Check out the description for this link also. It will take some time to download these two softwares. JDK is downloaded. Let's install this first. You should always install JDK before any Java platform IDE. Click on Next. Next. Okay, now Java is installed successfully. Next task is to add the Java path to the environment variables. For that, let's open the search bar and search for environment variables. Here, select the path option and click on Edit. Now we should add our new Java path here. Let's open File Explorer and find the Java path. It will be in C drive, Program Files. Inside that there is a folder Java. Open the JDK folder. Then open bin inside the JDK folder and copy this path. Then create a new path, paste it here. Click on OK. OK. And here also OK. That's it. We had set our environment variables correctly. After finishing the download, click on the software to install it. Here you should install the first one, that is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here click on Install. Accept the agreement. This installation will take some more time because it needs to download Java runtime environment. After installation, launch the Eclipse IDE. Choose the workspace here. This is the welcome page and you can close this page. Now click on File and create a new project. Let's write hello world. Click on finish instead of next. Our project is created successfully. Now create a package here. Inside the package, create a Java class. Let's write it as hello. And we will write our code here. So our hello world program is over. Let's run this by clicking on this button. See, here in the output console, hello world is written. It means Java is installed correctly and Eclipse is working properly. And that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed well. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Also, see you in the next video.